The Easy Cut is a haircut you can do on your own.
It's the easiest cut to perform at home since it uses one guide comb throughout the entire cut. It's quick and easy to maintain, probably why it's often referred to as the quick cut. Let's see how quick and easy it really is. For this cut, the Wahl lithium-ion clipper is a great choice. It's cordless, so you can easily switch between your left and right hand without a cord getting in the way. Its versatility also helps with hard-to-reach areas, but you can really use any Wahl clipper to accomplish this easy cut. We'll start airing off with the number 8 guide comb.
Using an upward motion, start cutting the sides and back of the head. Keep the strokes constant and relaxed, and try to go against the grain to get an even, consistent cut. Once the back and sides are done, move on to the top of the head. From front to back, run the clipper in smooth, straight strokes across the top of the head. If you see unwanted cut lines, just go back and blend with that upward motion. One guide comb and he did it all on his own. It doesn't get much easier than that.
Not short enough? Then let's pop on a number 6 guide comb.
Touching up the back and sides aren't tough when you're cutting on your own if you take your time. If you do, remember tight, straight lines are best created by careful, concise strokes. As simply as I can put it, you don't need help to make the Easy Cut look great. Erin did it, so can you.